Ninth race, top of the stretch, put to the test. Misfit, Krusty Sailor, Rio Blue Chip, Fluid Motion, Blazing Guns, GSM Casanova, and I-47. They're off and pacing. Misfit off the gate first to grab the lead on the outside. Krusty Sailor down on the inside, put to the test, gets away in 3. And racing on the inside in 4 is Rio Blue Chip. Now driving up to fill the gap in 4. That's GSM Casanova. Rio Blue Chip back there in 5, followed by Fluid Motion from 6, back in 7 as they continue into the backstretch for time 1. And out of the opening quarter is Blazing Guns, and sitting at the back of the field is I-47. They race on past that opening quarter, and driving up now to take over the lead. That is put to the test, leading it by a length and a half. Second on the inside, that's Misfit. Then Krusty Sailor takes a look at a 3. Holding down 4 is GSM Casanova. Gapped out racing in 5 is Rio Blue Chip. Then Fluid Motion has 6. Back there in 7 as they continue off the top turn is Blazing Guns, and I-47 is trailing. 30-1 was the quarter. They continue on past the half. And unpressured on the front end is put to the test. Still there by a length and a quarter with Misfit. Sitting in the garden spot. Third, that's Krusty Sailor. Followed by GSM Casanova in 4. Out and moving in 5 now, Rio Blue Chip. Then Fluid Motion. Followed by Blazing Guns. And I-47 is still 8th and treading. 1:04 was the half. They continue on to the backside now for the final time. And put to the test. Yet to be tested on the front end. Still there by a length and a quarter. Misfit content in the pocket. Third at the rail. That's Krusty Sailor. Then GSM Casanova is pacing in 4. Fifth at the rail is Fluid Motion. Stalled on the outside. Rio Blue Chip in 6. 3 high. I-47 in 7. And at the back, Blazing Guns. 1:30-4 was the 3/4. They race past the 7/8 now and off the top turn. It's put to the test with the lead. Angling out of the pocket. Misfit. GSM Casanova. Now charging up on the outside is now 3rd. On down the stretch they come. It's put to the test. Misfit. 2nd, 3rd outside. GSM Casanova put to the test will prevail. 2nd is Misfit, and 3rd GSM Casanova.